And India has taken another major step towards strengthening its indigenous defense capabilities. India's Defense Research and Development Organization has successfully completed the development trials of the unmanned aerial vehicle, launched precision-guided missiles known as the ULPGM-V3. The successful testing marks a significant boost for India's growing drone warfare and precision strike program. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh described the achievement as a strategic milestone in India's journey towards self-reliance in defence manufacturing, and the trials underline New Delhi's push to reduce dependence on imported weapons systems and strengthen domestic military technology. The missile underwent testing in both air-to-ground and air-to-air combat configurations at a DRDO test facility near Kurnool in Andhra Pradesh. During the trials, the system demonstrated its ability to strike a wide range of targets, including tanks, helicopters, drones and other aerial threats. Officials said the missile operated through an advanced integrated ground control system. The system managed launch operations, command functions and real-time mission control during the tests. DRDO designed the platform with automated launch and readiness technologies to improve response time during combat situations. The ULPGM-V3 has been specially built for launch and unmanned aerial vehicles, commonly known as drones. In practical battlefield terms, the weapon gives drones the capability to carry out precision strikes against enemy armor on the ground while also engaging hostile airborne targets. The air-to-ground version of the missile focuses on the anti-tank warfare and battlefield strike operations, while the air-to-air configuration allows drones to neutralize hostile UAVs, helicopters and low-flying aerial threats. This dual-role capability, it significantly expands the operational flexibility of India's drone fleet. The successful trial comes at a time when militaries across the world are rapidly shifting towards drone-centric warfare. Wars in West Asia and Eastern Europe have demonstrated how unmanned systems can change the balance on the battlefield through surveillance, rapid targeting and precision strikes. India now appears determined to integrate similar capabilities into its own military doctrine. Strategically, this development could provide India with a critical battlefield advantage in future conflicts. Armed drones equipped with precision-guided missiles can strike enemy positions without risking pilot lives. Now, such systems can also operate in difficult terrain and hostile environments, where conventional aircraft may face greater vulnerability. By deploying armed drones capable of intercepting hostile aerial platforms, India could create a more layered and flexible air defense network along sensitive borders. Another major strategic advantage lies in cost efficiency and rapid deployment. Drone-launched missiles are often cheaper to operate as compared to traditional fighter aircraft missions, and this allows armed forces to sustain longer operations. Now, the development also carries geopolitical and industrial importance. According to the government, Indian defense firms and MSMEs played a key role in building the missile system. Officials stated that the successful trials confirm that the domestic supply chain is now prepared for serious production. This is not only going to strengthen India's defense manufacturing ecosystem, but it will also open the possibility of future exports in the growing global drone weapons market.